references have a clear title. You must write the title of that reference. After that, the address of reference. For example, about the articles, you must write which conference or which journal, the name of journal or conference. About the books, which publisher, for example, Oxford, for example. After that, comma, and after that, two small p, that p is the first page of first word, first character of page. But you must write, it's a standard. You must write a small piece, okay? P dot, for example, 10 to 50, 10 dash 50. You must write the first page and the last page that you use of that reference. Okay, and you use one page of any reference, you write only one p, small p. That is the first letter of the page, but you must write small letters. A small p dot, for example, 6. That means you use only the page number 6 of that reference. Okay, and you must write the references list in this way and in with this standard. Okay, and there are some examples about tables and about figures in the content of your project that you must write. You must write the number of that table at the top of the table and the explanation or illustration about that table, and you must write the reference number of that part from 1, 2, 3, and others, and about the shapes and curves and diagrams. You must write the number of that shape, for example, shape or figure number 1 in Arabic language, and your project, and the explanation or illustration about that shape or figure, and you must write the reference belonging to that reference between two brackets in Vancouver, a standard that is easiest, excuse me, a standard for determine or for writing the references. So you must use Vancouver standard. That is very easy. Okay. It's about your final project. Any question in this part? Engineers, any question?
Excuse me, doctor. I have a question.
Okay.
About the references. There are many informations on the website, such as the PMI website. can we use them as a reference or only scientific articles and researches?
Okay, very good, very excellent, very good
Thank you, Doctor.
question. Yes, from the important and such as PMI site and others, you can use this site, and you must write the number of the reference or site, and at the end of your project, in the list of your references, you must write only the address. For example, 3W, that means World Wide Web, 3W dot, and the address of that site. Very good, yes, of course.
Okay, Doctor. Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Thank you. Any question? Any other question? Engineers? Please connect your microphone. Don't write anything.
Doctor, I have a question about articles.
Okay.
Doctor, should all articles be related to the same title or same subject?
Yes, it's very important, and it's very more useful. That after selecting, after selecting the title of your final project, you can search your article that you want to translate the title and abstract of this article during the term according the title of your final project. Yes, very good. It's very more useful.
Tamam, Doctor. Tamam, thanks a lot.
Thank you for your useful question. Okay, Miss Engineer.
Salam, Doctor.
Salamun alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Sorry, Doctor, I have been there since the beginning of the lecture, but I can't hear my name.
Okay, Mr. Engineer, and where I wrote your
Doctor.
Your name, but I didn't.
Sorry, Doctor, I don't have the internet is very weak. I'm so sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Any question about the lecture, about the final, about articles or your translates? And notice that you can't use your translate in your project. It's not useful. The abstracts give you some awareness about that reference, about that article, and you can use, and it's not useful for your final project. And you must use the content of that articles, and you can use from your friends, your classmates' articles, no problem, in your final project, not your translates. Okay, no problem. And you can, excuse me, Mr. Mustafa, please mute your microphone. And you can use the manual of softwares. Okay, the manual of softwares are some books and some PDF files. You can use manual of softwares, no problem, and you will write the address of the manual at the end of your project in list of your references, no problem. Okay. Any question? Any other question? Engineers? About the lecture, about our explanations?
No, Doctor.
Okay. Thank you.
No, Doctor. I have a question.
Okay, yes, excuse me, Mr. Mustafa, excuse me, I forget.
So, Doctor,
Yes,
so, Doctor, you need a weekly article?
what?
You need a weekly article. Every week we have to send you an article.
Yes, any week, any session, you must send an article.
Okay, so how many pages you need?
According our classes during the term.
Yes, I know that.
Any week, any session, one article. Okay.
In handwriting.
Yes, yes. Your translating. Yes, your translate must be handwritten, only handwritten. And about the final project, your final project must be handwritten. But you make a PDF file from your final project, and you must paste the shapes and tables at the middle of text, and you will send your final project to me at the end of the term, and we will determine the date or deadline.
Deadline.
Yes, deadline of your final project. And you must send at the end of the term the full text of your references that you use in your final project. Notice that you must save the full text of your articles and your references about your final project. At the end of the term, you must send the full text of your references that you used in your final project.
Okay, Doctor. All this in one title project, okay?
What? Excuse me.
One title project.
Yes, one project is enough, but more than one project will have positive marks for you. It's optional. More than one project. Yes.
Understood. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you. Any question? Engineers? Any other question?
Doctor, one more question, please.
Okay, Mr. Aida.
About the year of the research of the article. There are many articles that belong to the 90s, the 80s, the 70s. Is it a weak point or strong point in the research?
Okay, it's better that your article and your references that you use in your final project be updated. Okay?
Updated.
Must be according nowadays. It's better for you, for your information.
Okay. It must be,
but no problem about the old articles or old references. No problem.
Okay. By the way, Doctor, I forgot to tell you that you didn't mention my name at the beginning of the lecture.
Okay, Mr.
I hope I'm not registered as absent. Yeah, Doctor.
1 minute, Mr. Haydar.
Okay, I'm with you.
Haydar Tahir Mahmoud, yes?
Bali. Yeah, Doctor.
Excuse me, 1 minute. Okay, yes. Present. Thank you, Mr. Haydar. Okay.
Doctor,
okay, Mr. Mustafa. Okay.
You did mention my name, but I couldn't answer.
Okay, I sign it, no problem. Because I heard your name with your question. Thank you, Mr. Mustafa. Yes, I sign it. When I'm speaking with you, I will sign your name in the list. Okay? Thank you, our brother, Mr. Mustafa. Any other question, ladies and gentlemen?
Salam, Doctor.
Salaam alaikum wa rahmatullah, sister. Okay?
I have one question.
Okay.
Yeah, we say when you writing the final project, you must be using the handwriting. So it is maybe we have a problem in this project. So we problem in when we transfer the illustration or the photo.
Excuse me, your sound is not clear. If
Yeah.
any, okay, please repeat and louder.
Okay. When we say to writing the final project, we must be using the handwriting. So it is we
At least, excuse me,
problem.
at least 10 references. You must use at least 10 references in your final project.
It is handwritten. Yeah,
101? What?
handwritten.
No. The number of you, the number of references that you use in the content of your final project must be at least 10 references. 10 references. At least.
Yeah,
Okay?
doctor. You say yeah. It is typing or handwritten.
What is 110?
Yeah.
Doctor, sorry, he say
Okay.
handwriting.
Yes. Excuse me. Yes, must be handwriting. Thank you. Excuse me,
Yeah.
Miss Engineer.
Yeah, it is a problem when you transfer the illustration. It is photograph.
Okay, Mr. Engineer, can you translate because her sound is not clear for me. Mr. Engineer.
Doctor, we have a problem in the handwritten in the final project, such as when we using some of the photograph.
Uh,
Did you? Yeah, when you written a table, it is easy in the paper. But when you using a photograph, it is difficult in by handwritten.
no, it's not difficult. You must make a PDF file. If you don't know, you must learn it. Okay? You must make a fine. You take some picture from your handwriting. Okay? And you must some location, some suitable location, and distance for your tables and your for shapes for your figures. Okay, and you must make a, PDF file from your handwriting pages, and after that you must copy and paste the shapes and tables, the figures and tables at the middle of your handwriting text. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you, doctor.
And you must send the final PDF file that is such as including texts and tables and figures and other parts for me. It's not difficult.
Okay.
You must learn
Yeah.
if you don't know. It's not difficult. And
Assalamu alaikum, Doctor.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Mr. Hadi. How are you?
I have one question.
Okay.
How many articles do you want? More than 10 in order to get high marks?
When you use more references in a research, it's better. Okay, it's more scientific. When you use more references in any research, it's international standards. Okay.
Like,
Okay.
like,
It's international standards. Okay. 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 Okay.
No, doctor. I mean the articles. You
The
need from
articles,
us.
your translates.
Yes, doctor. You
Yes?
need from us
Yes.
10 articles.
I don't need anything. I don't need anything. I
You
only
demand.
I need only Allah. Only Allah.
Inshallah.
You need not me. Okay. It's according
Okay.
it's according the session during the term, and any article more than the sessions has some positive marks for you.
Nice. How many
It's not important. More than the sessions has some positive marks.
okay, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other question? Mr. Engineer Afonin, any question? Mr. Engineer Afonin, I think you are at the street and you are working and shopping. Yes? And without any attention to our class, Mr. Engineer Afonin.
Yes, doctor, can I speak?
I think you are working, you are shopping. Any question, Mr. Engineer Afonin? Any question? Okay. Other students, any question? Engineers?
Valley, doctor, are the articles on the final project should be the same subject or different subjects?
No, can be, it's optional. Can be same, can be different.
Okay, thank you,
Can be
doctor.
the same or different, no problem.
Thank you,
What
thank
is
you so
better,
much.
what is better that the titles can be near or can be the same? It's better, but no problem. It's
Okay.
optional, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay. Any question? Any other question, engineers? Nothing?
Hello, doctor.
Okay, Mr. Mustafa.
I'm sorry to bother you, doctor.
No problem. Yes, it's very good.
Already sent you two articles on WhatsApp. If you could please give me sign or anything.
Not, I explained completely about the article.
I know.
Article must be about risk management in civil engineering project, only this field. And there are thousands and thousands or billion and billion titles.
I know, doctor. I need you to tell me if it is good. No.
I don't have enough time for repeating.
Okay, no problem.
Please notice, you are engineer, you are master. Okay?
Okay.
You are masters in Iraq, you are masters in the world, master engineers in the world. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Please notice. Really, I mustn't explain about the translation about your final project. Okay? Really. But I explained, and after that you must notice our explanation and work standard. Okay? According to our explanation.
No, sir. I didn't mean that.
Okay, and these are international standards.
I know.
Not Iranian or American or Iraqi standards.
I'm just want you to check the title, just the title.
No.
Okay, doctor. No.
Because you are master engineers.
Okay, doctor.
In the world, not only in Iraq. In the world, you are master engineers, and you are very intelligent. I sure. You are very intelligent. Okay. And good engineer. Any other question, engineer?
Sorry, Doctor.
Okay, Miss Engineer.
Should you present the project?
No, no. You must only send the PDF file and full text of your references at the end of the term.
That means there is no discussions?
In class?
Yes.
Discussion about what? About our
the
lesson?
project. About the project.
No. But if you want, you can send to me the PowerPoint file for your final project during the term. It's optional. Thank you for your example. It's optional. You can send me the PowerPoint of your final projects, and after I studying it, and I verify your PowerPoint and final project, you can present your final project in the class during the term, and it will have it will have positive marks.
Tamam.
It's very good. It's very good if you want to do this activity. It's very good and will have positive marks. Yes. So thank you, officer, for your question. Engineers noticed that according Ms. Engineer Fatima Shalom question, it's optional for you that you can present your final project. It's optional, okay? Final project during the term. But before that, you must send in PV in WhatsApp your PowerPoint for your final project, your presentation, and after verifying with me this file, you can send this file to, or I will send this file to the group, and in the class you can present your final project and explain about it in about Miss Engineer and other students. In about 10 minutes is enough, okay? In about 5 or 10 minutes. 10 minutes is suitable, not more. In the class, and this activity will have positive mark, good positive mark. Very good, Ms. Engineer.
Yani summary of the project?
Yes,
summary?
Yes, summary of your project with some slides in PowerPoint. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Other question? Any other question, engineers? Some questions are very excellent. Very excellent. Any other question? No question. Thank you. About 2 minutes, you can have some rest, about 2 minutes. And I will prepare some slides for next part of this class. I will mute my microphone in about 2 minutes, and you can have some rest, about 2 minutes, and after that we will continue our class. Okay? I'm in class, but I mute my microphone for 2 minutes. And after that, if there is any question, you can ask me, no problem. Okay. Thank you. For 2 minutes later, I will back to class. I'm in class, but I will continue the discussion. Thank you.